star player coming out of India can change everything?
Yes. Why do you think?
Like something like, let's say someone, if Ronaldo was born here, do you think it would have been
He was
different?
already been born, bro. We've lost him. Messi's also been born. Ronaldo's been born in some state और वो कहीं और चला गया. या डॉक्टर है वो, या इंजीनियर है वो, या कोई और.
My example is like how cricket has Virat Kohli today. We have some player right now somewhere who's a
when I said I'm going to
footballer equivalent of that.
मैंने जब कहा था कि मैं इंडिया को ओलंपिक में मेडल दिलाऊंगा 2036 में, because इंडिया में हो रही है ओलंपिक्स and under 23 के हैं. Why am I so confident about medal there? Because all the boys who are now 11 and 12 with me, they are the ones who are going to make part of the team. Now, when you see it, the whole thing is such a huge mess that it's impossible to know. They have made it into such a mess that they think that the problem is they keep on saying money, or Africans are big, or they've got this, when the whole thing is they are the problem. Problem is the people running the game in the city. Because if all other games we are able to do, it's a anomaly.
Yeah.
It's totally.
But why will they allow you and your players to play for the
Why
country?
do you think 34 World Cup May, 2034 World Cup May, I've said I'll make them qualify. I don't even know if I can make them do well. Why? Because end of the day मिनर्वा नहीं खेलेगी वर्ल्ड कप, इंडिया खेलेगी.
हाँ, so इंडिया टीम में मिनर्वा के प्लेयर्स को डालेंगे
तो
नहीं.
मेरे आप बताओ, मैं बताता हूँ, मेरे पास 104 टाइटल हैं 10 साल में. उसमें से मेरे 22 AIFF के टाइटल हैं. That is in spite and despite of me being the biggest critic of AIFF and being their enemy number one. They fix referees, they fix matches, they fix. तो मेरे टाइटल कितने होते अगर मैं उनका बड़ा चपलूसी होता तो? डबल होते, 200 टाइटल होते मेरे पास. They did everything in their power to make sure it doesn't happen.
But in the end...
But in the end, I also have 250 plus internationals, which is more than the total of every other club in India. All clubs and academies put together. वो कैसे हुए? भाई साहब जो अच्छे हैं वो नहीं लेके. I'll give you another example. अब बताता हूँ. अभी Under 17 World Cup was hosted by India a few years ago in 2017, Boys World Cup, and they had a budget. साई ने बजट दिया 20 करोड़ का कि इंडिया में हो रहा है, बेइज्जती ना कराना, साले 20 करोड़ लो. इन्होंने क्या किया? इन्होंने 25 कंट्री का टूर लगा दिया इकट्ठे. 3 महीने ये बच्चे टूर पे रहे. All the kids, they went on a tour. They came back, and at that time I was under 13, under 15, under 18 champion of India. All titles, even senior, all were with me. So I requested that please you've not selected any of my boys. Please make them play a match, and then if you like them, please select some. नहीं हमने नहीं करना. मैं कहा प्लीज नहीं पैसे नहीं है आपको वहाँ बुलाने के लिए. तो मैं कहा ठीक है मैं दे देता हूँ. So I took my under 15 and my under 17 team all the way to Goa. I paid for it. My under 17 beat the Indian under 17 Indian team 2-0. My Indian under 15 team, my 15 under 15 team beat the Indian under 15 team 3-0. They selected 9 of my boys then for the World Cup. Out of them, 4 played the World Cup in the first 11 every single time. There's only 1 goal India has ever scored in the World Cup, in any World Cup in football. Is an Indian boy called Jackson Singh who was selected because of that match, which they played against me. So is the talent
Your
is
boy.
there? Yeah, my boy. So the only goal we've scored is my boy, Jackson Singh. Now, is there talent in India? Yes. So are the right people being selected? No. In the Indian national team? No. Even though they're 250 of mine, I'm still saying the best are not selected. Because they don't know how to select people. The ones they select from my academy are not even my best boys. So the aim is what? So you can't think that this will happen and they might just change. So what do? You make it impossible for them to ignore you. What do? If my boy is playing for Manchester United, उनका बाप भी इसको इग्नोर नहीं कर सकता, उनको रखना ही पड़ेगा टीम में, नहीं तो यहाँ पे उसका प्राइम मिनिस्टर फोन करके बोलेगा उसको क्या कर रहा तू है. So my boy has to be so big that he will be
so
taken.
Good.
So good. You just cannot be ignored. You're just so good that they can't ignore you. So if you are suppose the best top 30 player in the world, how the hell will they ignore you? वो तो ignore करते तो हमारे इंडिया player होते ना. So my aim is what? To get that first boy. The first Neeraj Chopra. मैंने first मोहम्मद साला बनाना है. मेरी सारी country उस club. And clubs को नहीं पता बाहर.
Commercial. Mo Salah and then, yeah.
Bro, just one. I just need one. Because it means, and why... if suppose an Indian Super League club had done it, it's still out of the, or Reliance Youth Foundation, they also do it, they've done it, they've got the best facilities. It's still out of the reach of every ordinary Indian club owner or academy owner. मैं कर दूंगा ना, तो सारे इंडियन को लगा साला इसके पास पैसे नहीं है, गवर्नमेंट सपोर्ट नहीं है, ये सारा एंटी भी है, इसको सारे इसके सारे सपोर्ट भी नहीं कर, AIF है, दुश्मन है, और तब भी कर गया। इसका मतलब हम भी कर सकते हैं यार, क्योंकि इंडियन को चाहिए होता प्रूफ का, चाहिए कर गया, फिर तो हम भी कर सकते। यू गेट इन द फर्स्ट बॉय, तुम एक तो लेके आओ, तुम देखो overnight if this country overnight bhai if this country doesn't become 50-50 na, you change my name. Indians want to see in the best. Why do you think they went crazy over Messi? Best in the world. We Indians want the best in the world. We want to be number one in the world. We want to only look at the best, have the best, eat the best, because we deserve the best. We've just been told by everybody that we're not the best. Now we are just figuring out, oh my God, we are the best. See, अगर तुम हमें सेम प्लेटफॉर्म नहीं दोगे, सेम अपॉर्चुनिटीज नहीं दोगे, तुम खाना हमारे को खिलाओगे नहीं, ट्रेनिंग हमारी करोगे नहीं, फिर तुम हमें कहोगे यू नॉट एज गुड एज देम, दैट इज वेरी अनफेयर. यू गिव मी द सेम प्लेटफॉर्म, सेम अपॉर्चुनिटीज, सेम एवरीथिंग यू गिव देम. जैसे मेरे खून जो यहाँ से सप्रीत सिंह गया था उसको मिली ना, वो पहुंचा. देयर 4 other Indians who are doing the same in the World Cup right now. So हमारे किस इंडियन को जो सप्रीत सिंह को मिली है बाकी 3 को मिली है, यहाँ पे क्यों नहीं, why couldn't they go up from here?